Hi, better people. Welcome to BetterChat. My name is Harsh, and in this video, I'll walk you through the dashboard section of BetterChat. While designing the dashboard, we managed to present the entirety of BetterChat here, so you can take essential decision quickly. First one is the header section, where you'll find your wallet balance, and also you can navigate to your wallet as well. Second is the overview of today message sent, today message received, this month message sent, and this month message received. Third is the graphical representation of your weekly message sent and weekly message received. Fourth is the active campaign section, where you can find your scheduled campaign and make last minute changes. Fifth one is the new message received. As the name says, it will highlight the new message on top. Thanks for watching the video. For future updates, consider subscribing our channel.